Hello my crafting friends, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'm here with I had such a fun time making this particular card, so I'm really excited to show it to you. Today we're going to be using the Daisy Lane stamp or bundle that includes the stamp set and I think they call it the middle or the medium size Daisy punch, because there is a larger one. There's a large one that coordinates with this particular stamp, and this particular punch coordinates with that stamp. And we're going to be using the Gorgeous Grape ink pad, as well as an oldie but goodie, which I haven't used this in years. I think I'm gonna have to actually get a new one. But anyway, this is the Craft stamp pad. So it's like the Whisper White Craft ink. It's like a pigment ink, so it stays wet longer. I'm also going to be using some of the new Shimmer White embossing powder. Really pretty. Can you see the colors up in there? It doesn't really do a true white. It seems like there's more glitter into it, so that's why I have the Craft White. You can use that for embossing just like you can with the Versamark, but you have to be kind of quick with it. So we're going to use that. And the other thing that we're going to use, do you all know about our designer series paper in the different color families and in colors? Well, this is the Brights collection. It's 6x6 and it has different designs, but they're all for the Brights. They have the regals, the neutrals, and the subtles, and they also have the in colors for both years. Last year's in colors, the Lovely Lipstick and Grapefruit Grove, that one, and then this year's in colors. So I'm going to be using some of the colors from, that particular pack. I'm going to be using Gorgeous Grape, Bermuda Bay, Mango Melody, Daffodil Delight, and Melon Mambo. So I'm going to use those. So let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Let's move it out of the way so we can get started. First thing I'm going to do, I also have an envelope and a basic black cardstock and some Whisper White. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, pardon me, that was rude. I'm going to cut two punches out of each of the colors, and then we'll put those together to form a daisy. So we'll do that one. And this goes by kind of quick. You can pick whatever design. There are 4 different designs in there. You can pick whichever ones you want. I am a Brights person. Love the Brights colors. Not to say there's anything wrong with the other colors, but my preference is the Brights. But depending on what kind of mood you want, you can actually go and use some of the other colors for it as well. But this was a fun kind of technique that I saw. Okay, let me stop. There we go. And here's the last one. So basically we're just going to glue these colors together. And that's all the punching that we need to do. So there's 2 different sides. One has like a script side, and other has there was like a I don't know what you want to call that, like a weave, so you can decide which one you would like to have. And I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do the weave side, and that'll be the so just a dot of glue, not too much, and then we're going to offset it, each one. I'm going to kind of, there we go. And we're going to do, I think I wanted to do it like this the last time and I messed it up and I used the wrong side, but it really doesn't make any difference. We're going to offset each one and then set it aside to dry for a second. Maybe I'll just mix them up. Maybe I'll do that. That's an idea. Really, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You can't really notice the little pattern design until you get kind of close to it. Uh-oh. It turned on me. And the next one. So if you hear a whizzing sound in the back, I'm sorry for that. That is my fan on. I'm a little warm in here, so I decided to turn the fan on, and then I noticed the other day that it made a little bit of a noise. So I apologize if it's kind of irritating, but I'm a little warm with these bright lights. And the last one. And there we go. Okay. We'll set those aside to dry for a second. Let me wipe off my hands. I've got a little bit of glue on them. So everything I touch is going to be sticky now. Okay. So I guess we can do a little bit of stamping and get that over with. So the inside of the card is going to have a sentiment that says, oh, what did it say? It's your time to shine. Because the front is going to say smile, and it's your time to shine. And I'm going to do that in the Gorgeous Grape. I'm going to do right there, closer to the top. Okay. And then also, just to decorate the inside, I'm going to use the small daisy flower. And I'm going to hopefully not mess up. This is where I really would like it to be a photopolymer stamp set, but I think I can get it. I just wanted to crisscross. Ooh, there we go. And while I have it out, I'm going to do the envelope as well. So again, I'm just going to make a little design over here. And then I'm going to actually crisscross it again and make another design over on this side. And that'll be our envelope that's decorated. Cool. So that's all of the stamping with that one. Let's set that aside. We can set these aside. Now, on the black, what I wanted to do, I'm going to use the Whisper White craft ink. I forgot how to open these up. And I'm also going to use the shimmer white embossing powder. I'll have to be very careful because, like I said, I have the fan going, and where's my embossing buddy? I want to emboss side over here. Okay, and this one is going to say smile. Make sure I have it the right way. I forgot. I really need to get either a re-inker or just a new pad. Probably a new pad. That'll probably be the best thing to do. Down and up. It's very faint. And close this up. And we'll put it back. And now we're going to, can you see it? So I'm going to emboss this with my heat tool. And I'm going to mute the sound, and I'll be right back. Okay, Let me clear off this glitter. Okay, I had to blow the glitter away. Okay, so we have that all done, and so let's go ahead and work with our daisy. So I'm going to push it up, the petals up, so it looks almost like a cup. And while I'm at it, let me put some dimensionals on the back. I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of each one, right in the center. And when you push it up like that, then you take your bone folder and you kind of flip them under a little bit, just to give them a little bit of dimension. But be careful, because they're kind of delicate, and you don't want to rip any of the leaves off. So it looks like, sort of like that. And we'll do each one. I think I want that side done. Put a dimensional on the back of each one. And then we're going to shape them. Just like that. With each one. Just a little bit. Okay. Oops. Should do it this way. Silly me. I really like the colors, the way the colors kind of pop out on the black. That's kind of fun. It gives it a lot of color. Almost makes it look like, you know, it almost looks like a neon-ish kind of color. So, we'll see. And the last one. And then you could just figure out where you want to place them at. What order? I think 5 is fine. You could do it with a larger paper, the larger ink pad. But, excuse me, ink pad, with a larger punch. But it would kind of, you wouldn't use that many on there. So, let's put our card together. Let's fold and burnish it. And this will go on the inside. Cute, cute, cute. And for this one, I think I had, well, you know, it could be either way. I'm going to put them kind of close. Where do I want them? I think I want this one. No. I'm going to switch it around. I'm going to put that one up there. No. I'll put that one up there. Then that one. Then that one. Yeah, that'll work. Again, you can use any colors that you want. I thought this was really cute. So the next thing we're going to do, we got 2 more things, and then we're just about done. I'm going to take a little Wink of Stella, because who doesn't like Wink of Stella? I'm just going to paint it over the leaves a little bit. Well, not the leaves, the petals. Can you tell I'm not a flower person? I mean, I like the look of flowers. I don't plant. I don't have a garden. It wouldn't be safe around me, put it like that. But I love the look of flowers. But that's just not my thing. But everybody has their thing. So, here we go. And then we're going to use some of these clear faceted gems to give it a little bit more bling. And I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool to put them on there. Give it a little bling right there in the middle. Jazz them up. That one's too small. I need a bigger one. Okay, I think that's it. And there you go. Our quick and easy faux neonish looking card. And you can, I'll probably just fluff these up a little bit more. And here's our envelope to match. And I did one earlier, the same envelope, and I did that one. I just rearranged the colors. And this one says friend, and on the inside it says, the best moments in my life happen with you. And I thought that was really pretty. Nice to give to a friend. All right. So thank you all so much for stopping by. This is my card for the day, or for the next couple of days. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos do come out. Give me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I love hearing from you all. So once again, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back soon with another video for you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a great day.